Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how I make my favorite beef spaghetti. Okay, let's get started. Now put a clean water in a pot, cover the pot, put it on the stove and allow it to boil. While you're waiting for it to boil, it's time to start cutting your meat into tiny pieces. We are cutting it into tiny pieces so that it will get done easily because we'll be stir frying it later. Okay. So by the time you're done cutting your beef into tiny pieces, your hot water should already start boiling. So the next thing for you to do is to add some salt into the boiling water, and then you add your spaghetti. Once you add the spaghetti into the hot water, you need to use a spoon to separate them so that it doesn't stick together. Once you're done doing that, cover the pot and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, your spaghetti is already soft, so it's time to sieve out the water from the spaghetti. Once you sieve out the hot water from the spaghetti, make sure you run cold water over the spaghetti. This step is very important because it prevents the spaghetti from sticking together, okay? After that, set the spaghetti aside in a sieve. Now for our next step, put a clean pot or pan on the stove, add some vegetable oil. Once the oil gets hot, add some onions, saute for 1 minute. After 1 minute, it's time to add your beef into the hot oil. Make sure the oil is hot before you add your beef, okay? Once you add your beef to the hot oil, it's time to add your ginger garlic paste and also some salt and some seasoning. Once you're done adding the ingredients, you need to cook this beef for at least 8 to 10 minutes to make sure the beef is done, okay? And while you are waiting for the 8 to 10 minutes, you need to continue to stir the pot so that the beef doesn't get burnt. Now after about 8 to 10 minutes, you need to check to make sure the beef is done. Once you've confirmed that the beef is done, it's time to add your pepper mix into the boiling pot. Once you add your pepper mix, allow it to boil for 3 minutes. Then you can add some water. You need to add just a small quantity of water. If you have a beef broth, then you can also add it, but make sure the quantity of water is small. As you know, our spaghetti is already very soft, okay? Now it's time to add the spaghetti to this mixture. After adding the spaghetti, make sure you mix it well with the stew base, okay? Because this is what's going to determine if your spaghetti is going to be nice or not. So once you're done mixing it together, cover the pot and cook for 3 minutes. And then your spaghetti is ready to be served. Hello guys, that's our delicious, easy to cook spaghetti. Oh, you see the way it's not sticking together. Make sure you run it over cold water, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. When you try this recipe, let me know in the comment section, okay? Did you like it? Will you try it again? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.